You are new around here. My name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of short hairstyle ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair, going much shorter this season, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this beautiful short and sweet all black pixie style. She looks absolutely amazing rocking short hair. And then we move into a hair transformation. So she's going to be getting a bob for this one. The stylist is doing the retro Cleopatra style bob with the bangs in the front. Gorgeous, easy, effortless style. So we have a bit of an undercut transformation for the next one. Beautiful, edgy, retro style. And then we have another all black pixie cut. She does have the baby bangs with this particular look, beautifully framing the face. And then we have another hair transformation. So it looks like she's going to be getting an undercut style as well. Some color added. Oh, wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. She did get like a bright blonde for the color. Beautifully done. So then we see someone with long mid-back length hair. Looks like she wants to get a bob. I love the color that she has. She does have the face framing highlights going. Oh, this is so chic and stylish. Such a pretty hairstyle. So then we have someone with mid-back length hair. She has such gorgeous strands, but she has decided to chop off her mane. It looks like she's going to be getting a bob for this one. Oh, I love the shape of this. Her hair is so voluminous and full. This is absolutely stunning. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out